Today we talk about how can you enable comment notification on your app, on your family album app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do. So you just go down, click here on settings down here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notification settings. You just click on it. Then you come here to your child name album here. Just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to comment notification. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's when comment notification enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.